Hey guys, today we're taking a closer look at a brand new smartphone that just dropped in early 2026, the Oppo Reno15. Now this phone comes with a pretty interesting combination, a sleek premium design, a powerful Snapdragon chipset, a massive 6500 mAh battery, and a versatile triple camera system. So in this video, we're going to break everything down, from design, display, performance, cameras, all the way to battery life, and see what this phone really offers for everyday users and tech enthusiasts alike. Let's get started. Starting off with the design, Oppo really keeps its signature Reno series style here. The phone features a glass front and back protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, paired with an aluminum frame, giving it that premium feel right out of the box. It measures 158 by 74.8 by 7.8 millimeters and weighs around 207 grams, so it's still relatively slim and comfortable to hold for a phone with such a large battery. You also get IP68 and IP69 ratings, which means it's not just water resistant, but also protected against high-pressure water jets, something you don't always see in this category. For SIM options, you've got Nano SIM plus Nano SIM, or a combination with eSIM. Moving on to the display, and this is where things get really nice. You're getting a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. The resolution is 1256 by 2760 pixels, which results in a very sharp and crisp viewing experience at around 460 ppi. Brightness goes up to 1200 nits in high brightness mode, making it easily usable outdoors. And of course, it's protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. Overall, this display is smooth, vibrant, and perfect for everything from scrolling social media to watching high-quality content. Now let's talk performance. The Oppo Reno15 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset built on a 4nm process. It features an octa-core CPU setup and is paired with the Adreno 722 GPU. For memory, you get options up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, although there's no micro SD card slot. In terms of real-world usage, this setup is more than capable for daily multitasking, gaming, and even heavier apps. Benchmark scores are also quite solid, with Antutu going beyond 1 million points. So overall, performance here is reliable and fast for its class. Now for the cameras, and this is where Oppo usually shines. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, 50-megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide. This combination gives you flexibility from standard shots to zoom photography to wide-angle scenes. For video, it supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, along with gyro EIS for stabilization. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera, also capable of 4K video. So whether you're into photography or content creation, this setup gives you a lot to work with. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the battery. The Oppo Reno15 packs a massive 6500 mAh, which is definitely above average. This translates to excellent endurance, easily lasting a full day or more depending on usage. Charging is also impressive, with 80-watt wired fast charging. According to the data, it can reach 100% in about 50 minutes. You also get reverse wired charging, which can be useful in certain situations. For additional features, you get stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint sensor, NFC depending on region, and even an infrared port. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi dual-band, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB Type-C. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. So overall, the Oppo Reno15 delivers a well-balanced package. You're getting a premium design, a smooth AMOLED display, solid performance, versatile cameras, and a very large battery. It's a strong option for users who want a stylish phone that can also handle daily tasks and entertainment without compromise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.